This is Firas from Jasmine Restaurant Management System. Today we are going to speak about the direct delivery orders, and we will learn how to define drivers and how to assign those drivers to any direct delivery order. Also, we will learn how to add a new address and how to open a new order and assign this delivery address to this direct delivery order. Let's start. So we have four kinds of orders in Jasmine POS module: dine-in, takeaway, direct delivery, and delivery companies. When we have our own drivers and we offer to deliver any order using our own drivers, we will use this function, direct delivery. But if we are using, let's say, for example, Talabat, Carriage, Deliveroo, Uber Eats, we will use delivery companies function. So today, our video is talking about the direct delivery using our own delivery drivers. So if we click here, this is the order screen. And from here, when we open a direct delivery order, the system will ask us, please enter the phone or mobile number of the customer who we are going to deliver this order for. So I already defined my number, my mobile number. I will enter it here and click search. When I click search, the system will bring me the data. So the customer name is Firas, his mobile number, customer name, the area, the building, any remarks I want to put here in the address. And also the system will bring me the first order date that Mr. Firas has ordered from us, last order date, orders count, and order average. Now, from here, I can put the delivery charges if I want to add. So let's add, for example, 10 Qatari Riyals as a delivery charges, and then I can press confirm. If you offer your delivery orders free of charge, you have to put here 0 and keep it 0, so nothing is charged to the customer. In this example, I will put 10 Riyals and I will put confirm. So now we have a new order. This order is for customer Firas, and this is his mobile number, and this is a direct delivery order because we have the bike here or the motorcycle. So now, after I opened, I can add any item I want to the order. So one grilled halloumi, I will go with one pasta with red sauce, and they want 2 7-Ups, for example, and they want one vegetable pizza large, okay, with extra onion and extra cheese. So confirm, and this is my order. The order is ready. Now I can send it to the kitchen. Before I can send it to the kitchen, and I can assign to driver from here. Or I can wait until the order is ready and it is packaged and ready to print the check. And before I print the check, I can assign the driver. So let's send it to the kitchen. This is the kitchen order. It will be printed in the kitchen stations. And then before I press the check, I can from here right click on the order, or if you have a touch screen, long press on the order and then assign a driver. I already defined one driver in the system, Mr. Anas, and this is his mobile number. I can choose the driver and say confirm, and Anas will show here. If you see, it will show here in this corner. Now I can print the check. The check will come here with the 7-Up and grilled halloumi and pasta and vegetables. Everything is here, and you notice that there is delivery charges. It is located here with 10 Riyals. After that, I can close the order when I give the package to the driver, or I can keep the order like this until the driver goes and deliver the order to the delivery address and then bring the money back. For now, I will close it. So I will close with single payment, let's say cash, and say confirm. And this is the account and copy that will be generated from the system. And you see here also we have the delivery charges included. That's it. This is how we open a delivery order, and this is how we assign a driver to the delivery order. What if we need to add or define a new driver to the system? We go to the control panel, to the portal, and we go to more settings and parameters, and there is something called drivers here. So we will click on drivers, and I already told you that I have defined Mr. Anas and his mobile number, and from here I can create a new driver from this button. Let's click this button, and we will call this driver, for example, Mahmoud, and his mobile number is 22446688, for example, and then we will press confirm. And this is how we define a new driver into the system. For any reason that the driver changed his mobile number, his phone, we can just modify the driver from clicking on this button. So instead of 99, we will put 88, we will put 99 and confirm, and this is already updated. Let's open a new order into the POS system, direct delivery, and we click on open, and we put here, for example, a new customer is calling 77 let's say 70779493, and we will search, and the system say we did not find any matching number, and we can click here new, and we can put here, for example, Fadl, and the area is Al Sad, and building number 51, and floor 2, flat 10. We can add any remark here. Please do not call on phone. For example, anything, we can put it here. So once I save this, it will be created Fadl, and now we don't need to create it anymore in the future. We just put the mobile number, and then Fadl will show here, and everything will come to us from the system. One more thing we need to add, any delivery address is shareable on all outlet levels. So Fadl can call any branch, any outlet of our restaurant, and the data will show to every outlet in the chain. So no need to define Fadl in each branch. It is defined on the restaurant level. Let's add here 15 riyals delivery charges. Confirm. Pizza, big pizza, 2 extra onion. Let's put one with extra onion and add another one with extra cheese. And let's sell soft drink, 2 7-Ups. And now we have the order, 132 riyals with 15 Qatari riyals as delivery. And now from here, right click, assign driver. If we search for the driver, we can see now Mahmoud is defined here. Confirm, and now Mahmoud is assigned to this order. Send to kitchen, close, run the check. This is the check, total check, and then close, and we can close the order by card, by cash, whatever we want, and then confirm, and the order is closed, and we have fulfilled all the direct delivery orders. That was our video today. Thank you for watching, and we will meet in future videos. Thank you.